Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Flexiti PayLater card at JYSK checkout. This payment option allows you to shop now and pay later with ease. So now let's get started. First, you will need to open your web browser and search for JYSK. Click on their official JYSK website to start shopping. Now, browse through the site and find the items you want to purchase. Click on the item and add it to your cart. Repeat this process for all the items you wish to buy. And once you've added everything to your cart, go to checkout page by clicking on your cart icon or the checkout button. Now here on the checkout page, you will see a list of payment methods. Select Flexiti as your payment option. Fill in the required details for your Flexiti PayLater card. This will include your card number and any other information needed. So after entering your details, complete the transaction by following the prompts to finalize your purchase. And that's how you use your Flexiti PayLater card at JYSK checkout. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.